are reinforced with special materials and special geometry. Of course, behind this technology, there is a lot of studies of engineering studying to identify these spots. So you can print at 400 meters per minute and no worries, no problems on the bouncing. That is something printers and converters care about. So again, robustness. The most versatile. This machine runs with water-based, solvent-based, can run with aluminum material, plastic films of course, but paper as well. So it's Uteco Onyx. It runs with all the substrate types and for all the end applications of multi-industry. And that's also something new we are launching today. We have developed 4 kits to equip this kind of machines. So the versatility also comes from the easiness by which you can equip the machine with very easy to identify kits. Water-based kits, kit heavy duties, paperboard, kit tropicalization. Some of you may have factories in very warm places in the world. So we know the struggles with humidity and with high temperatures. And kit aluminum for those of you who run different kind of substrates. Then we come to the last pillar of the machine. It's very important for us to help operators who are running the machines. So we have invested a lot of time to design and research the best technologies to help and support the ergonomics and the safety of the operators. Let's start with the HMI. You will see later, it's floating. The operator can adjust the HMI depending on his age, but also depending on the operation he's doing at the moment. If he's going to watch the top screen or the middle screen or the low screen, then different moments of the productions, you may want to adjust your HMI. Of course, it's fully touch HMI. It's very innovative, it's ergonomic, and it has, as you will see today, it's also with a very nice design. Dynamic drying box. So the drying boxes are completely new, and they are toolless to remove. So one operator can remove the drying box with a single move, a single shift to the right, and then the drying box come out. Not only that, he can remove the nozzles. It's very easy to remove the nozzles. And why we want to do that? Because some jobs, some printings may be difficult than others to dry. And we have experienced with some customers that different nozzles shape can help with drying issues. So that's an upgrade, or eventually something that can be added later, but it's possible. With normal drying boxes, you cannot substitute nozzles that easy. We made it possible. And here you see the door is sliding, fully closed on the machine. So the operator approaches, and then is unloading, and then one movement, and the drying box is out. And here is the removal of the nozzles, very easy to be performed by one single operator as well. And we see a couple of different shapes that, of course, as examples. We have many depending on what you're printing, substrates, inks, speed, and so on. Catwalk. Not all the flexo machines in the market have a catwalk, first of all. We made sure that we had the best catwalk, because All the upper part of the machine is accessible from upstairs. In-feed, out-feed, fridges, drying tunnel, book type opening. All the areas of the machines, the cameras, are accessible from upstairs. So there is a stairs behind, and then the operator can move very easily on the top, and that's a game changer for maintenance and for cleanings. Noise level. At the beginning I spoke about the design, the new design of the machine. It's beautiful, but it's functional. And it's functional to keep the noise level very low, because the shape of the machine has been designed in such a way to minimize the noise of the ventilation, of the fluids running within the case of the machine, of the paneling of the machine. It's below 80 decibel. And then there are other small but key technologies that help the operators. On the inking pumps and watching the printing units, you have these adjustable, orientable, small HMIs to check all the parameters while printing. Folding doors. We have seen that all the doors of these machines are fully closed on the paneling. Nothing going outside. You can freely move with trolleys, with the wheels, without problems. That's very helpful for the operators. Pipeless units. There are no pipes in front. It means less dirty area. It means easier for the operator to work on the doctor blade. So you will see later, but it's also very important for cleaning and maintenance. And then the spring splash guards. We introduced magnetic splash guards. No screws, toolless. Look how easy it is to remove, detach, and you put back the scrapers like that, magnetic. Seems easy, but you have many of them, and then it takes 2 seconds to remove, so it's helping a lot the operator in all the operations he's doing along the printing jobs. Okay, yeah, wow. I think we could.
Thank you, Mattia, for this great and detailed presentation. Well deserved.
Thank you.
There is a lot to pick in there. There is innovation, there is sustainability, high-end technologies, of course. Well done. And yeah, let's see if we can try and get some more insights about, because presentation was great, music was fine, images were amazing, but can we get a little bit more insight, possibly?
Let's say, you understand that I can't be a neutral or aseptic
of course.
in this judgment and or final consideration regarding the machine. We are already collecting very, let me say, positive and enthusiastic follow-up from the customer, final user, and so on. And now we expect at the end of the meeting that you will sign a lot of orders for this machine. So you are here for this main purpose. No, but anyway, we have decided together with him to have a deep analysis on the machine, the performance and so on, asking a final, we say, evaluation of the machine from one of the most recognized, experienced, let me say, leader, technological leader of all this business, who is Felice Rossini. So I jumped to his company. Discussed a lot, and we have made this interview. I ask again to Giulia to come here and to show together to all the people this interview. You have participated in this. We can go?
Non ho la pretesa di essere un esperto di macchine, però ho 60 anni di esperienza nel settore. Quello che mi ha impressionato di questa macchina è che pur avendo una tecnologia estremamente avanzata è la semplicità di manovra.
지금은
estremamente importante e
유테코
molto spesso viene sottovalutata.
설명회에 들어와
La
있습니다.
semplicità, perché sofisticando molto spesso le automazioni e per avere un certo tipo di risultati capita che si fa il contrario, si complica la produzione, si complica la manovrabilità e questo crea dei grandi problemi. Questa macchina, pur avendo delle soluzioni tecniche estremamente avanzate, è semplice da manovrare e questo per me è un requisito essenziale.
Grazie tantissimo per questo messaggio, perché noi possiamo a livello di studi di marketing enfatizzare quanto più possibile soluzioni, innovazioni tecnologiche, poi però chi ha l'occhio dell'esperienza e ha vissuto l'utilizzo di queste tecnologie negli anni di produzione di suicidi in base alle soluzioni che ci ha applicato sopra, capire che anche questo è uno degli argomenti di forza è una cosa molto importante. Ti ringrazio davvero. Julia, thanks again your father for this very helpful consideration regarding the machine. I know your husband asked us for increasing the price of your product to us for this, but thanks anyway for your participation.
Thank you.
And this afternoon you will touch the machine, you will see it working, which is I think the most important from your point of view. Thanks again.
Thank you, Alex.
Thank you very much. And yeah, here we are. This is another moment we've actually been waiting for.
Indeed.
You know, new product launches announcement always come with a lot of excitement because not only there is a lot of gratitude for all those who have been working hard behind the scenes, some such as technicians, engineers, product designers and Salesforce people, but also because they come with a lot of expectations on how the market will react. So let's see with Mattia what this is about.
Thank you, Gianmarco. Indeed. So we thought it was a good moment today to make another announcement. We have a second product reveal. So this afternoon you will have a chance to see the Onyx Go in action, and then afterwards you will have the chance to take part to another demo, not in this plant. We bring you to another plant nearby here, and you will see our latest and new automation technology for sleeve changeovers. Automatic robot, anthropomorphous robot. So we are going to launch SleeveBot today. And I'd like to do it with a video that we prepared for demonstration, for, let's say, highlighting its core powers, and we'll go through a quick presentation afterwards, so enjoy.
And this is a sleeve boat presented to you by Uteco today, ladies and gentlemen.
Thank you.
Up to you, Mattia.
So It's the best robot for automatic sleeve changeovers ever. And I'm going to tell you why. First of all, the key technology of this robot that you will have a chance to see in person this afternoon is the new gripper. This bar you see here in the front. This one is a new